Hello, everybody, and welcome to this little mini edition of Forever Wild. I'm your host, Ben Abercrombie. We're going to have some fun today. We're working on teaching the audience how to use some interactive web-based astronomy resources to plan astronomy events for your students or your family. So this is an informal education lesson based on astronomy. So let's jump right into it. So there's several tools we're going to go over. One of the tools is going to be called Stellarium Web. That's a free resource there. It's also Stellarium Mobile you can use out there. It's a great resource. We'll jump into that in just a minute. We're going to go check also the Interactive Solar System Tour, which is this, and we're going to go to skymaps.com. We'll go over all three and how that works for you. So let's get out of this window here, and we're going to show you the tools in Stellarium Web. You can look at the night sky. You can go to whatever date you want. Like if you want to do an event tomorrow, you can actually bump it up a day if you wanted to do that, or bump it down a day, and you can do that. And you would go to whatever date you want. You can also rotate it through the night sky by taking your pointer here and rotating it through. We like to keep our sky north corrected and kind of zoom it out to a pretty good degree. So we can actually see the whole sphere that you'd be looking at. That would be the entire sphere from horizon to horizon. Now, we're going to zoom in on the northern sky. We're going to show you a couple of tools in Stellarium that will help you. So we're going to hide this. What you're going to see here is you're going to see the constellation stick figure chart that you can see that will show you the constellations in order. And you will also see the art behind that, so it can help your students or your family identify the different characters in the night sky. So that's pretty cool adaptation there. You got a good tool there. If you want to see the night sky rotate from east to west, you can actually see this because we're rotating clockwise. It appears that the sky is actually rotating counterclockwise over your head from east to west, but we're rotating clockwise on our axis. So that's what that causes, that optical situation in the sky. So that's a really cool way to do that. Once again, you can adjust date, you can adjust time. Whatever you want to do, you can pretty much do on Stellarium. So we're going to hop out of that. Now let's go over here. We're going to go to the next thing. We're going to go to Interactive Solar System Model. This is called the Solar System Scope. And when it loads up, what you'll see here is you'll see the solar system kind of snap into view. And when you do, it will show a interactive view of every single phenomenon in the night sky up there. So this is particularly relevant if you have a younger audience and they want to see the makeup of each of your planets. That's a really good thing. It takes a little while for it to pop up. As you can see it here, welcome to the solar system. Here is everything rotating. There is our sun, which is rotating on its axis, and all of our different planets here in the solar system rotating. So we're going to hop out of here. We're going to check this out, and you can do several things here. You can rotate it according to time. You can go and you can put it up and down on an axis here. You can go up and down and you can see your time model. You can play it. You can run your time forward. You can run it faster or slower. Okay, there's your inner asteroid belt. There's an outer asteroid belt. There's just a lot of things you can do with that. So that is a pretty cool model. It will show you all about the different layers of the solar system and how to break them apart. Let's say you wanted to go break something apart. You would go right in here. Let's pick let's see here. Let's go to Uranus, and we'll see what the makeup of it is. So you can go here, and there you see the structure. It'll actually break it apart. It talks about what is in the inner, outer. This is the atmosphere, mantle, and the core. So it's a pretty cool model here. Breaks it apart. You can do that throughout the solar system. Also, you go over to Sky Maps. We're going to jump over here to another website, skymaps.com. You can go see the evening sky map. This is a printable sky map and viewable guide that you would be able to see. What I do here is I do the download for this sky chart, and this will be for the evening sky map in November 2021. So we're going to print some of these out for our people at our star viewing party tomorrow night, and we're going to give these out. So this is another good visual representation that you can give to audiences, and it's a good free resource. So just a little bit about the free resources here. These are good for any event throughout the calendar year. And it's just a wonderful way to explore the night sky. So let's see if we can pop off here. Take that down here. And in 29 seconds, we're going to go to another video here. Let's check this out. Oh, one more thing. I'm going to show you. There's an azimuthal grid, and this is equatorial grid. That would be right there would be Polaris. That would be your North Star. So for Play Card Environmental Education Center, my name is Ben Abercrombie. Everybody stay forever wild and go out and enjoy your night sky astronomy viewing. Have fun, everybody.